aka SnowTax, and we are going to be talking about my STI, things that are broken on it. And well, there's a lot of things broken. My car's cold, okay? I probably didn't have the clutch pushed in all the way. People that guy rolled his window down and was staring at me as I went by. Anyway, so we're gonna go get lunch right now, but while we're getting lunch, we're gonna talk about why the STI is broken. You guys probably didn't hear it in a couple of my past videos, but my rear driver's side strut, now that that strut is completely toast. When I hit big bumps with this car, the car is not happy with me. The car is not happy with me at all. It makes this loud crunching sound in the back left area of the car, driver's side, and the car just is not happy. When my car is really cold, it actually will grind second gear a little bit and third gear a little bit. It goes away after a little while, but it's just when it's really cold out, it does it. I'm gonna put a couple clips in here of me freaking romping on my car on the freeway, so insert one of those clips here. Best thing about having a Subaru is you can just turn around wherever the fuck you want. All right, we gotta get on it. We're getting on the freeway. Well, I apologize, I haven't been posting a whole lot lately, but please understand that I work 6 days a week right now. I work 10-hour days, 6 days a week right now because I decided that I'm going to keep this car and I have a new apartment that's very expensive. So I just can't post that much. And me working though a lot, making more money, I am going to be able to buy more mods for this car. Which, by the way, guys, when I get to 200 subs on this channel, we're buying a new mod for the car. I kind of already gave it away since I talked about it in my last few videos, and I need struts for the car. I'm really thinking about swapping Forester struts in this car, which is going to lift the car up a little bit higher so I can take this car to more places that I want to take it to. And effectively, overall, we're going to be able to just make more content with it, since I'm going to be able to take it, you know, out in the fire lanes, a lot deeper into the fire lanes, and a lot more snow I can go through because of more ground clearance. And I mean, I don't need the ground clearance for snow, you're right, but you know, still. Red bin. So we're gonna do a highway launch here, even though I just showed you guys 2 of those. But you know, you don't come to my channel and expect to not see me launching this car onto a freeway or doing donuts. I'm sorry to do. So basically right now, we're gonna hope there's not a cop sitting up there, but we're gonna launch the car. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. God damn it, I love this car. Oh, there's a cop right there. There's a cop right there. He definitely heard that whole thing. Oh God, he definitely heard that. I'm sorry guys, but I'm not exaggerating when I say if you're sitting at your house and it's the middle of the night and I'm just romping it somewhere in this car, that is what you hear. There's nothing else that you hear. You hear this car that has no mufflers in it, and it's a Tomei titanium, or wait, Tomei Extreme TI titanium exhaust. And oh my God, this is loud. Especially loud from when you're behind me, but he definitely heard that, and it was probably good. You know what? You're welcome. To that officer that just probably heard that, you're welcome. You're welcome. My car's pulling to the left right now really bad, and I don't know why. Look at that. I shouldn't have been changing lanes there. I just rotated my tires in the car, and now it's doing that. I don't have directional tires in this car, and I definitely rotated them the right way. I checked my tire pressure a while ago. I'm not sure. I used my blinker way too late there. I'm not sure exactly what's wrong with it, but can I get some downshift action? Sometimes I can get it to pop a little bit. No, it's not doing it. Okay, I'm giving it too much bleed. Okay, we got it one more time under the bridges. Come on, no big deal. Just one more time. Ready? Holy fucking RX-8 ripping. Get it, Rick. You know what's really weird? We just saw a running and driving RX-8. That is that's pretty amazing in itself. Sometimes when I'm driving this car, it feels like it wants to just give out on me and just completely give up. I don't know why. Probably because I fucking romp the shit out of this thing all the time. Ooh, nice BMW. Alright. Alright, this video is getting way too long. What are we at? 12 minutes. Oh, God. Alright, enough fucking around. We gotta go to Culver's and get our food. I am gonna keep recording, though. You can cut out right here. Okay, usually when I dip on that bridge that I just crossed is usually when the bumps like bottom out. And when I bottom out with my car, it actually hits the wheel against the fender a little bit, which is why we need new struts as soon as possible. But I'm not buying new struts until I get to 200 subs, because that's when I'm buying the Forester struts to put on this car to lift it up in the air. I'm not sure how much of a lift it's gonna give. We're gonna measure before and after, but yeah. So if you wanna get my car new struts, make sure to subscribe down below and we will get new struts for my car when that happens. But, oh God, please make the green. Make the green, Cole. Come on, make it. Yes, we made it. Yes. Oh, thank God. Don't look at me weird. I'm wearing a fucking camera, okay? Yo, so what? All right, we're gonna grab food here and then we'll be good to go. All right, we got lunch. Anyways, moving on. So if you take and you try to put 2 fingers in here, you really can't. This looks really bad. I shouldn't be doing that on camera. But if you still do it, you can't do it. This is supposed to sit a lot higher as is right now, to my perspective. But anyways, when I hit bumps, sometimes it actually rubs this fender on it. You can't really see on this tire. I actually just rotated the tires, but yeah, so that needs to be done. Also, I just found a new spot to do like snow drifts, so that's probably coming next video. But anyways, guys, I gotta get going home because I got a lot of stuff to get done today still. But if you like today's video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe down below if you want to see more videos on the STI, if you want to see more videos on Subarus in general. And we will see you next time.
She ain't never gon' fuck for the cash, cause she's so sexy, yeah. She stay flexy, yeah. I stay flossy, yeah. She just so unfair.